called Amaya. So we have numbers, crayons, colors, and pets. I'm going to teach you how to say those in Chinese. First, we're going to start with the numbers counting to 10. Okay, first, E, R, San, S, U, 六 七 八 九 10. Now we're gonna say it together. First, E. Now say it with me. E. Second, R. Now say it with me. R. San. Now say it with me. San. Now say si with me. Si. Si. U. U. Yo. Yo. T. T. Ba. Ba. Yo. Yo. Sure. Sure. Now we're gonna count with our cute crayon. So, first is the E. R. Oh. San. Si. U. Leo. T. Ba. Dio. Sure. Now we're going to do is the colors. Okay? Home 色
红色、
Home 色 is red.
橙色、
橙色 is orange.
橙色、
橙色 橙色
黄色、
黄色黄色
绿色、
绿色绿色
蓝色、
蓝色蓝色
紫色、
绿色绿色 Okay, now let's count how many colors we have here. Okay, E R San Si U Leo. So we got 6 colors. Now let's play a game. Now don't peek in this game. Yes. Let's do this animal. Guess what it is. So it says roof, roof. What it is.
It's dog.
Let's see. It is a goat. Dog.
狗、狗、
Go, go. Okay. Now, let's see what else is here. It says It jumps. Okay,
Is it a rabbit or is it a bunny?
Is it a rabbit or a bunny? It is a tutu.
Oh yeah, 兔子。
And it looks so cute. Oh, tutu. Okay. Okay. This one says, ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
It's a monkey. 猴子。
It's a monkey.
猴子。
Hold it. It is a hold it. Okay. This is the last one.
Oh, it's a pig.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Pig.
猪。
Jewel. Daddy. Bye, Daddy.